Usborne first reading. Clever Rabbit and the Lion. Once upon a time, in a great big jungle, lived a great big lion. He had great big paws and very sharp claws. "I am king of the jungle," roared Lion. "I am going to eat you all up." "No!" cried the jungle animals. "You are small and weak," said Lion. "You can't stop me." "Don't worry," said Clever Rabbit. "I have a plan." "Where are you all?" roared Lion. "I want to eat you." "Here I am," said Clever Rabbit. "You can eat me." The next day, all the animals hid from Lion. "I tried to come before, but a great big lion stopped me." "I am the only lion in the jungle," roared Lion. "Oh, no, you are not," said Clever Rabbit. "This lion has bigger paws and sharper claws." "Show me this other lion. I'll eat him up, and then I'll eat you." Clever Rabbit led Lion to the deep white river. "He lives in there," said Clever Rabbit. Lion looked into the water. Another lion looked back. Lion shook his head. So did the other lion. Lion leaped at the lion in the water and was swept away. "At last," cried Clever Rabbit, "we are safe." The jungle animals came rushing out. "Help!" called Lion. "Save me!" "We can't," said Clever Rabbit. "We are small and weak." Lion let out one last roar and was never seen again. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.